Hey,
Okay, one more.
One more game.
hey, everyone.
Hey,
Makers
Andy.
and the laser level. Everywhere. This is Andy from Skep. Glad to come back.
Okay.
Live panel of our first DIY global laser cutting machine contest. Our judges and players are ready. Enjoy the great and amazing questions. Let's light it up.
Okay. So today is all about one thing: to find the really excellent, really wild, and find the project designs that really make you want to say wow. And to be honest, the creativity you already show is really incredible. A big shout out to every single person who entered to help us choose best of the best. We have some excellent crew here. Let's make some noise for Travis Michelle from the USA. Travis. Okay. So say something, Travis.
Hey, good morning, guys.
Okay. Good evening, Travis.
I've been checking out some of the videos, and I'm excited.
Yeah. We're very excited. As you can see, Andy cannot hold himself to screaming. Literally, I will introduce to some of the team in China. Sitting next to me is Patrick. He is the co-founder of EETO, our mother company. Patrick.
Hello, everyone. I'm Patrick.
And in front of me is Bruce.
Hello, everyone. I'm Bruce.
And this one is Patrick.
Hello, Charles. I'm Richard.
Oh, sorry, Richard. I'm sorry. Okay, today we have six videos to have a discussion, and we will evaluate each of the project from 5 criteria. One is the appearance, and the second is expandability, and third is innovativity, and the fourth is the environment friendliness and safety, and the last, of course, the cutting capacity. And I will show you the entries. Please give me one moment. Hold on. Still, I am sharing this page. Okay. So we have Fikret Duru from Turkey, and Bruno Portier from Belgium, and Jordan from USA, and Eric from Slovakia, and Russ from Canada, and Craig and his teammate Robert from Canada as well. So let's first go with Fikret. Is that okay, Travis?
Yeah, sounds good to me. I don't know if I've seen his yet, actually.
I will. Okay, Tamar is joining. Okay, let's welcome Tamar.
Hi,
Tamar.
Hi.
Tamar Bar?
Hey there.
Yeah. We just opened it to today's live 1 minute ago, so it's not too late for you to say hi to all the listeners.
Hey everybody, what's up? Happy to be here.
Okay. I feel excited. Let's begin. We will first from the first one, Fikret Duru from Turkey. Let's go. Maybe the sound is not very clear, and Mr. Duru speak his mother language. I cannot understand. So we just see his videos, okay?
Okay. Yeah.
So we can make some discussion. It's okay. So I think Fikret is showing his commercial machine, right?
Yeah,
It's
I was
not a
going to say
DIY machine.
that looks professional to me.
Yeah, the professional machine.
Yeah, I've seen his videos. It seems like he's building a
我说他们
machines and sell them because he has several machines there in his factory.
Reface. What is?
So, what's this? 三箱的
Maybe he inspired by my electrical power measurement. Maybe, I don't know.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
control cabinet.
Yeah, he's using the reader controller. The one
Yeah,
that
65,
Travis
63.
used in his first DIY laser machine.
Okay.
시스템에 çalışıyor.
切割头的，就你猜的呀。
这是个网线。 So you guys watch and then give your scores.
Locations.
冷冷的序，
嗯
手动的按键的。
Cutting test.
Buradaki fakat devam ederek bağlıyor.
I've actually seen this video before on the DIY laser Facebook group, and yeah, and actually, if you want to see the cutting test that he does, it's only on the end of the video, I think.
Yeah. I think so. Radar control manual smoke exhaust system. Since no original control. Yes.
So where do we draw the line between DIY and not DIY? Because this looks
Yeah.
like a professional machine.
So I think it's one of the disadvantage for Fikret to join a DIY contest.
When I saw this video before, I don't know if you saw this before, but the most impressive thing that I've seen from him is that he is actually building his own water chiller for the laser.
He builds his own water chiller.
Yeah.
自己做的水冷机。
Direkt kaybına meydana veriyor. Direkt kaybı olduğu için de hemen yani hava açıp kapamalar var. Çekmeler meydana geliyor. O borunun içindeki havanın dolması için belli bir süre gerek. Makineyle bir iş var. Mavide beyaz ağır. Daha olmaması yoksa tipik optik. Ama gerçek kullanımlarda 1 santine kadar sıkıcı aşağı.
Aluminum extrusion，这个是衡量是吧？做的自己手用
是的
铝型材料。
Bu fasıl neydi?
Earlier this week, I just sold my old Ruida controller to
OK，
a guy is going to convert his water jet machine into a laser. Should be pretty cool. No, he's going to use just the machine foundation and hook up the new Ruida controller to it.
嗯哼，这个是加强的吗？还是 radar？
Radar
control？
radar。
也可以让那个。等下周边你尽量说英文，如果说卡的，你可不可以？
现在很忙。
你尽量说一下，如果不行的话就给你翻译。就因为都是技术嘛，我会让周斌先说，好吧？然后 Bruce 第二个说 ，Richard 最后一个说。
Oh yeah, that one's up.
Hold on. Okay, let's pause here. Hold on. So, I did not see the cutting performance clips.
He uploaded a few
Let's
videos.
find
He
some.
uploaded a few videos, not only one video. So in the other
Yeah,
video, I think
let's
you
find
can
some.
see these the cutting tests.
Yeah, I will find some cutting clips in the Facebook. Let's see. OK， 按一下精度，这好像是我们的图吧 ？Pattern，
我们的图，
这好像是我们的图，因为我当时记得我们发给他过的，
我们的
他用我们的图在测。
sequence，它的 sequence。DIY machine.
Okay, so we just finished Fikret Duru's video. So how about we start from Travis? So Travis, do you have some words about this Mr. Duru's project?
Yeah, I mean, it looks really nice. I guess it looks professional. Yeah, I would like to see the video of his water chiller that he's making. That'd be pretty cool. But yeah, it looks like it cut nice. I always want to see the back of the cut because the front always looks good. If you know what I mean.
OK， Travis 说他还是看一下那个后面，前面是的，跟你想法一样的这样。嗯 ，OK。So do you have some to say, Tamar?
Yeah, sure. I wrote down a few things that I like and a few things that I don't really like. I start with the things that I liked. Yeah, I liked obviously that it has dust covers and auto oiling lubrication system. And obviously also he has the fume extractions. Those are the things that I liked. The things that I didn't like, I personally don't really like the reader controller. So this is a negative for me.
Yeah.
I don't come again. I did hear you. And I also seen, okay. And I also seen that he used, and obviously he seems like he built a few laser machines and he built it for industrial use. And I think it's going to be a negative because it's like a DIY machine, as Travis said. And so it is a negative for me.
Yeah.
And also, obviously, he builds industrial machines, so he knows obviously what he's doing. But nevertheless, he used two different extrusions for the gantry. So the gantry, it's similar to mine, which is I think he used 280 by 80 millimeters extrusion put together for the gantry, which I think it's a negative thing. Obviously, it doesn't have the same strength as a single
他说那个衡量，然后在那个
single beam, and obviously he need to align it together. And so this is it is a tiny thing, but it is a negative for me. So those are the things that I wrote down.
Yeah, good points.
Okay. Thank you for your words. What about Patrick? Patrick, wants
This
to speak
engineer Fikret is similar professional manufacturer. So if you are engineer, you are professional, but I want you improve something. We have 3 points. We need to improve. One is the cutting. You need to set the right sequence inside first, outside the nut. And the second is the cable. You need use the different color cable and the logo cable. The high power, high voltage and low voltage you should depend on. And
Cable slot, I think it's cable hold.
Okay.
Yeah.
Set is all of the control panel. We need the mark.
Like labels.
Labels.
Label.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
It's my opinion.
Great.
Okay. What about Bruce?
Yeah.
它整个设备可能就是那个电器布局非常乱。
So, so Bruce said one point need to improve is that the electric or unit arrangement should be improved. Okay, the same with Patrick. The level of for different colors of cables.
Yeah.
和
High
弱电
voltage, low voltage.
high voltage and low voltage should be distinguished from each other. It will cause some interference. And Bruce also said that this machine seems more like a commercial machine rather than a DIY. Bruce thinks that the cutting speed is not so satisfactory, but the accuracy is satisfactory.
精度还是 OK。
Let's welcome Richard. Richard is mainly responsible for the manufacturing section of EETO. So maybe Richard can give some opinion from that aspect.
像那个视频的话，它主要还是属于一个工业用机。它的工业用机里面的话，我看它的有一些细节上面可能还没有处理好。然后它比如说它的横梁，它
Okay, the gantry.
它线穿个横梁。
Okay, so Richard said that when the cable penetrates through the gantry, there's no protection. When they smooth,
有人把线给划破。
it is possible to damage these cables in certain degree in some scenarios.
这时候火花爆上来的时候，有可能就是把整个气路。
好，慢慢来。I need to translate this long sentence.
通道的上面。
Okay, we just see the intensified the valve solid valve is on the above of the laser cutting head shelter.
切割的时候有可能火花溅到。
So when it's cutting, okay, Fikret will join us.
There he is.
Fikret, okay. Fikret, Mr. Duru.
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Yes, I am.
Yes, you already hear all of the words from the judges, right? So you want to say something?
Excuse me, little speak English. Please write. Chat.
You can write your words in the chat box, and can you type Fikret? This is like maybe. Yes, you already hear all of the okay words from the judges. Big lag. You want to say something?
English, please write.
You can spin it.
Okay, you can write your words in the chat box. Okay, Andy, can you type? Yeah.
Let's continue.
There it is. You already hear all of the words from the judges, right? You want to say something?
今年的防尘罩它卡进去没有间隙，是它的好的点，但是不好的点它。
好的一点是它的那个防尘罩卡的那个非常的紧密好，但是唯一需要提高的就是要做一些保护。So I just typed the text from Richard. One of the point. 卡的那个非常的紧密，非常的好，但是唯一需要提高的就是要做一些保护。Okay. While you Fikret, you want to say something, we can start give the score because we still have 5 more entries need to be judged. So first of that, I want to say sorry for all of you. I will share you the link because the scoring system we just tested it does not work here. Hold on. Oh my god. So you guys see here, I planned to make a scoring system, but we just tested it. It does not work. So for convenience, hope every judges can write down your score and just show in the camera. I think it's more convenient. Is that okay? Yeah. For each. For example, 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 6 plus and equals what? How's that sound to you?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, what about Travis? Okay, you guys can give the score, and I will.我那个声音是不是很延迟啊？
是
我没办法
网络不好。
啊。好了吗？你们写好分数了
It's already.
写好了。
？Okay, it's already. I wish first I will show. So 35. I hope every guys can see it. 35 score from Patrick. 啊，注意记录一下。然后 Bruce 啊，写大一点，我要 OK. And the total score from Bruce is 32. Patrick. Or I don't need to show the scores to the camera because we can type text in the chat box and
Oh
we
yeah,
can
that
show
makes
it.
makes
Yeah,
sense.
yeah. 你这样32 OK 好31 M 你注意记得总分 OK
I guess I was a tough critic.
It's okay with different judging levels
I felt like I had to deduct some points because it looks like a commercial machine,
OK
even though it looks really nice.
So yeah 由于是那个OK Patrick 就是现在 Tamar we're still waiting the score from Tamar and Emily and then you can add OK can you type the text in the chat box OK
Well, I think you typed it in the private studio chat, not the public chat.
OK
There's also a live stream chat section. Tomorrow.
Yeah. Studio chat. Tamar, you can type your words from studio chat, not from studio chat. It's a live chat, live stream chat. Tamar? Yeah, okay. I will give you a screenshot for you. You cannot send image.
Yeah, there's like different categories of chat groups.
Yeah. Okay, I help you. 25. Okay. So, Emily, can you calculate the total scores? Okay, wait a minute.
Is Emily hiding behind the camera?
Yeah. Sitting in the back of the camera. Emily, Jay, Mia, Andy,
whole team.
Sunny. Yeah. And Dama. Okay. While we're waiting for Emily, we'll go to the next one. The next one is Bruno Portier. Okay. 你写进来，你直接打 total score. Total. 等一下，我们先把它评完，因为第一个时间都耗了这么多了，到时候再来直接评总结，因为没时间弄。Here is the total score. Let's move on to the next one. Bruno Portier from Belgium. Let's start.
Missing.
Thank you, Bruno. Let's start. 这是什么电源？雷赛的。
这是加强系统吗？
对 ，XD restart。3000瓦啊！这个也是那个，看运动，这是不是有点慢了？这是什么？这是他做的那个，这个还挺漂亮的。OK， 做了。OK, also start from Travis.
It looks pretty cool. I bet it was probably inspired by Tamar's machine.
Okay.
I like how he's got the long gantry, so it looks like he's set up to do tube cutting in the future.
Okay.
If he can put the rotary chuck on there. Yeah, it looks really clean. It looks like it's really packed in your garage. Like you're not gonna have much room to cut in there.
OK, Travis 的意思就是说，他可能那 Bruno 可能是受 Tamar 的影响，他留了那个长的东西，他后面准备切管的，他那个横梁很，
我看到了，
是，然后说他的那个仓库很干净，那个什么 ，So anything else?
Yeah, it looks like the custom parts he made looked like really professional and cleanly machined. Yeah. Overall, it was impressive.
Okay, thank you.
I'd like to see it cut.
Okay, let's find some cutting. Yes.
没看到他切。
Yeah. We find some cutting clips. Hold on. Not sure what we can find. Oh, sorry. I don't find any cutting clips from
Maybe he
Bruno.
didn't share it.
Yeah. Let's see. Let's share it in Facebook. Oh, still some pictures. Yes.
Yeah, maybe he hasn't actually cut with it yet. It looked like it was kind of still in progress, probably, but it's looking really good so far.
Okay, let's move on. Tamar. Hi, Tamar. Okay, let's first go with Patrick.
Okay, I think the laser equipment is very clean and well maintained with care.
Maintenance with care.
Yeah.
非常仔细的维护是吧？
Yeah. And usually, I think the machine lack of innovation.
Innovation. So
Yeah.
still need innovation perspective should be increased.
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else?
Should some mix welding, lean, and marking to mix.
Okay. Patrick's meaning is that it would be more interesting if Bruno can integrate some different laser application in this machine. For example, the marking, welding, or something like that. But I think
Yeah.
let's go with Bruce.
Sorry，长金。
Okay, Bruce, you mentioned that there is a reinforced bar in the for the machine body at the bottom of the machine body, and the reserve, and he leave a tube cutting system preparing for that, and that part can be used to cut some cabinet. So what is that?
它可以把它移出来嘛，对不对？
I mean, it can be moved out.
我们和你要外部分，对不对？我把那个箱体放在下面，再进行加工。
Okay, 所以可以把那个神鸟外 gantry like this, we can move the gantry like over the 床体 and can use it for cutting some box. Okay, anything else? 还有吗？
没有，谢谢。
Okay, what about?
Okay, I have a quick question.
Okay.
If participants don't win this contest, are they able to resubmit for the second contest? Because I'd really like to see Bruno's machine again once he has it finished with the tube cutting and stuff.
Yeah, let me share you something. There are 3 persons who plan to enter the first DIY contest, but unfortunately they cannot finish it in time. So we just let them register for the second DIY contest. I will show you the window. So hold on. So Paul from Brazil, Kurt from Canada, and Marcos from Cyprus. They already registered for the second DIY contest. So if the first entries still want to showcase their project, they can register for the second. So the registration system is open just after this judging phase. So welcome all the DIYers to register for that. Okay, just a quick side talk.
Thanks.
So Travis, okay. What about Richard said the electrical units arrangement is beautiful.
但是我不喜欢那个头罩的气度在上面。
Richard's always focusing. Okay. Anything else?
切割能力。
So it's a pity that we did not see the cutting performance from the videos. I think Bruno will. I hope Bruno can listen this live, and we hope you can upload more clips of the cutting performance. Anything else? Oh, Rich is also wondering that how is the cutting capacity of his machine, because manufacturing commercial machine every day, so he seldom see someone using the aluminum extrusion as a machine bed. So he feel very how to say I'm sorry, curious about the extrusion aluminum machine bed machine.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
certainly not going to be as rigid as a steel frame, but you know, it's easy to work with for the DIYer.
Yes, I just
Yeah.
want to say that before for DIYs, all of the DIYers using 所有的 DIY 人都用那个
都用铝
铝
芯材
材，所以说跟你的想法有一点不一样。
但是我刚刚有说到，他其实他 DIY 但是他用铝芯材，但是他中间不是有加了很多那种加强筋吗？
对，Bruce said used reinforced bar to reinforce the machine bed made of aluminum extrusion. So what about Tamar? Tamar, yes. So it's your turn, Tamar. Say something about Bruno's project. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Still under construction.
Yeah, Tamar, you probably missed it with your internet, but when he showed the 3D model, it looked like he had some fume extraction. So there's probably going to be some sheet metal on the interior there whenever he gets to that point. Anyways.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. Who wants to see more? Yeah, see more about Bruno's machine. Okay, let's begin the scoring. Patrick, your score.
Yeah.
你自己选吧。看到什么就评。
我
等一下，我先展示一个，你看评这个 36 from Patrick。Emily 注意记一下。Okay, Bruce.
我给27分，原因是因为他没有切割。
Okay, Travis
Yeah.
25分。
I gave him a 1 for cutting because we haven't seen it yet, and I don't know. I would like to see it again in the next contest because it looks like it's going
I
great.
want to see more.
Yeah, it's great so far, but we don't really know yet.
Okay, Bruce 27. Okay, what about Richard?
我给他32。
尽管没看到切割的一个视频，但是通过他做设备的一个细节和一个态度，他相信他的切割能力不会太差。以上内容翻译成英文。From Richard and Tamar, what is your score? Hi, Tamar. Tamar's signal
Tamar
is
said
not
27.
good. Okay, sorry. 27 from Tamar. Marcus. Okay, let's move on to the next. Next one is
what was Bruno's total?
I'm sorry?
What was Bruno's total score?
Total score? Yeah, Emily, total score. 147是吧？我还没收到。Okay, Emily is giving the final result.
Okay, 147.
Okay, let's go to Jordan Missian from the US. I will share the video. Let's go. Oh my god. Let's try switch to the Facebook.
Yeah, it's got some heavy artifacts.
Please give me one moment.
Just a single machine plate and
这
multiple
个调料
pivots.
它是
So
好
far
像
it's working well.
抬起来。
BS 你
with
总线
some
它的结构，它的 Y 轴结构不同于之前，
see what else. Oh, it's
是
all
人吗？
EtherCAT
是
control
它
system.
是
So it made
倒
wiring
倒
really
装
nice. A
它不是平的。
已经是自己做的。
from
这个水箱好像是自己做
EDM
的。
machine. And we can upgrade that in the future. Here's the cabinet.
这是插芯三千。
EDS 3000 board that's using it with
EDS.
EtherCAT computers that are running it, all our relays and power
继电器。
distribution, fusing, circuit protection, stuff like that, power conditioning, all of our servo drives. On the other side, we have source, which is down here. We have the assist gas setup, and we're using oxygen, and then also our normal shop air right now that is filtered and cooled. So I'm set up here with 1 millimeter stainless steel, and I'm gonna cut one of the test parts here. So here we go. We're gonna start.
它一直在展示它的双 Y，
一直在转至在双 Y 是吧 ？OK，
是不同于之前的设备。
衡量是要顺一些，
它做法也不一样。
做法不一样是吧？
是两个铝芯材。
这个 gantry 是
铝芯材，
好像也是从外围看，
是吧？
我不知道，可能没有这个
没有
这个概念。
它是
从内部开始切的。
没错。
看一下精度。
We'll start using nitrogen, but we're just using shop air right now since we're mostly cutting carbon steel with it. But
We have some more fuel management to do and kind of clean up some of this and where we're routing our cooling lines. Right, we have to add fuel extraction out here going to the outside. Yeah, we're going to enclose the sides here too as time allows to help move some of the fumes out, and then some better or some more slats, maybe a little different style for supporting material here. Overall, we've been cutting on it for several months now, so I'm really going, doing several jobs with it. Works great for carbon steel. 3/8 plate for a job recently, cut it really well, nice and clean. But yeah, that's what we've got.
Okay, let's also begin with Travis.
Okay. Yeah, actually, I watched this video yesterday, and I actually know Jordan and his partner Eric. They live like an hour north of me in Milwaukee. My thoughts on their machine: it's like the biggest machine build I've seen so far. Like with the smallest extrusion, it's like they really went minimal with the extrusion, but it looks like the cutting performance seems to be pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Their electrical doesn't quite look as good as the couple others we've seen.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, from what I hear, it sounds like they're just really busy. So they're kind of working on this machine as they get time.
Huh.
But what really impressed me and I thought was really innovative is their flexure design for the rack and pinion. I've never seen that done before. And right when I saw it, I thought, oh my God, that's so clever. So yeah, I can't wait to see when they finish that up and get this spring on there. I think that's pretty cool. Yeah, I'd like to see them finish up getting the fume extraction on there. I think that would be much better for the health. But yeah, that's my thoughts.
Okay, I will not translate this long sentence. 就是大概说一下，就是 Travis，就是说他们就是跟 Travis 住的比较近，都属于那个 Milwaukee 的，但是他们也都知道的，就是他说了一些就是他的设计不同啊，大概我也不记得太多了。Let's go with Tamar. Are you stable now, Tamar? Okay, let's go with Patrick.
I found he have a Y driver X new design.
Y driver 什么意思？
双 Y，
哦，是 double Y axis design.
Yeah.
Okay.
New design.
New design.
And this machine cutting ability is very real. I suggest he can add some dust for smoking.
So dust collectors. Yeah. Okay, dust collector design.
And cannot see the machine have this part.
Okay. So what is anything else?
Yeah.
Okay. What about Bruce? For the X-axis gantry, he used a double extrusion, aluminum extrusion to enhance the strength of the gantry. And this is the first machine that we currently see that using the double Y-axis system. 具体提升的
就是说，整洁度上，
我看到了他把强电和弱电这整体的那个布局的话还有待提升，可以更加整洁一点。
然后它的这一轴那个绷管，对，但是这个是否要考虑到它在运动过程中会有折到的现象。
So Bruce said, I noticed that it separates from the high voltage and no voltage wiring, which is good. However, the overall layout still has room for improvement. It could be a bit neater. As for the Z-axis fiber, it doesn't use a proper fiber protection chain, but instead using a corrugated tube. I'm a bit concerned that his setup might obstruct or put pressure on the fiber during movement. Okay, anything else? 没有别的吗？
没有了，谢谢。
Okay, what about Richard?
它设备我看到了，它非常重视也安全。
Okay, now Richard has seen some safety protection devices on this machine.
里面有加一些安全接电器
and see some relays.
还有它的自式水箱里面加了一些
and use some meters for his self-made chiller system. The little car 会比较方便。
对。
Also for the double Y axis system, Richard think that it will be more convenient to assembling such machine, and also the cutting capacity is also great.
对，所以说它一直这么大的幅面情况下。
Impressed. Okay, that's it. Tamar, can we see your voice? Can you hear your voice? Okay, Tamar's signal is not good. Let's go with the score. Patrick?
I suggest 38.
From Patrick. Bruce?
33.
And what about Richard? 37. What about Travis and Tamar?
I just
okay.
32.
I say that. 32. Great innovation with that fixed design and double extrusion X country. Okay. And what about Tamar? Come on, Tamar, we need you. I will connect WhatsApp from Tamar.
Jordan.
Emily 就是Tamar 没有加上来是目前没有加 Tamar 就是140。OK， 我们等一下。OK for Jordan， OK Tamar gave the answer。
应该是的，
因为时间点。OK 73。OK let's move on to the next. Eric you can move in. Yeah. OK can we see you? Oh,
Yeah, I see Eric.
let's find Eric's video. Give me a moment. Okay, this one. Okay, sorry. This is his thesis.
Here is and power switch.
Power switch.
Here is button for play, pause for dust auto and power. K-lock for here is timer, temperature of cooling water, and switch for lights.
这好像是等离子的那个床体。
Here's my
Beautiful.
reading box where you can see servo drivers. Here's my where I have sensor for pressure, oxygen, air, and nitrogen. And here is check valves. And I have control for cooling or dry air inlet for power source. Okay, this is my machine in action. You can see that quality.
Okay, guys. As you can see below，
他还做了一个怎么出抽风？
下面那个
他做了一个料斗，还做了抽风。他边上做了个抽风，他的设计它更像工业机，但是它是
纯
它是纯 DIY 的工业机，
什么都做了。
对，它把功能性变得更强大了。它是 DIY 型工业机，
这个就很成熟了，这就很精致的一个小机器。
主要是它的一个电器
很漂亮，
觉得
修的也很漂亮。
是这几台应该做的最好的一个扩展性。
to add
这扩展性什么意思？
profiles
它这边移到这边来，
就是增加
I see the possibility。
那个刚那个 X
哦 ，That's cool。
它的这个 ability 拓展性
好，看一下，
做的蛮精致的。
女做的，这是女吗？
对啊，它是唯一做的料斗。你看那几家之前那个都是女性材质，切割下面是没任何保护的。
这是做的过程是吧？就洗呀、转呐，
看见。
一体或者
做的
丝感传动还
自己做的
丝感是吧？
对啊
，made by himself。
哦，自己做是自己做的。
买新品吧？
这明显自制的，这新吗？这明显自制自己做。
看到他做出风。
哎，这是什么？
这个
UOP。Really nice and clean。
很精致。
啊，这是
做的抽风啊，
什么？
这抽风看没有？就是它
这个设计，哎，哦，就是这个。
唯一的这一点，就是我不是。
你等下说，全部都很好。
所以光凭这个安装这个是个败笔。
不应该展示出来。
不先把它看没有？是的。
Nice.
Thanks, guys.
Really nice. Okay, go with Travis.
If I can, you
okay, yeah.
You can play video with film extraction in Facebook.
Okay, you mean
can.
you want to share more?
In Facebook is my post with film extraction video.
Okay, so
or in
please.
Comment.
Okay, please let us know which video you want us to share. Hold on, which one?
In other posts or
in other posts. Okay, I scroll down. Oh, next, this one. This one?
No. Three.
Okay, I scroll down.
慢一点，它的网络。
Or wait, I mean that it is in the first post, but in comments.
But in comment, which I scroll down, you say stop.
Video in for competition and comments for this video.
Okay, I got it. This one and comments.
Yes.
Okay.
Comments from people.
哦，他把技术参数
down. Scroll down. You can see comments. Yes, this comments.
Okay, I try to click it. Okay, I try. Not working. Okay, give me 1 second. I know what you mean.
Wait, is not working.
Give me a second.
Hello.
Okay, give me a second. Hold on, give me a second.
Maybe I can add link if it will be work.
Okay, I find it. Okay, I'll share it right now.
I will send you link in chat.
Yeah, I already find it. Eric.
Okay.
Don't worry. This one, right?
Yes, but you must to see all comments.
Okay, this is all comments.
Yeah, this is my system of value valve with no cylinders. This is one. My comment. Do you see? Down. This one.
Okay, share this one.
Yes.
Okay. Where?
Where is it?
What?
Now I will show you my automatical dust collector system.
Or film extraction.
And it's on axis. Move. Automatically open. If
It automatically open. When
Okay.
Y is
move.
back table.
Okay.
If it
Why is that
move,
coming up?
Automatically closed. And open
Okay.
next.
you see it is closed and now it is open.
Open, closed. And
This is little bit crazy.
哦，他租出去了，做了个寄生器。
It's
Oh, yeah,
crazy.
it's good.
It's not a little bit crazy. It's
Yeah,
crazy.
yeah.
You have a clean loop.
Yeah, for all side.
And here is film extraction. All do it yourself.
就是
And here is cylinders.
拉杆结构好像是像。
There is about 1 second or few seconds delay for extraction.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Cool.
Very cool. Yes.
It's good.
Okay, Travis.
Okay. Yeah, that was pretty cool. I loved all the thought you put into the control station, all the buttons and lights. I like that. That was cool.
Thanks.
I thought all the electrical and stuff looked outstanding. It was so clean. I'm curious about the belts. Like I used belts on my machine. Your gantry looks much heavier. Is there enough rigidity for cutting accuracy on your machine?
It is
Or
really okay.
Is there a little flex in the belts, or does it hold up pretty well?
It's all pretty well.
Yeah, cool.
Sorry for my English.
Yeah,
It's okay.
That's
It's okay. It's
yeah. I thought one improvement is just like on my machine, you would probably be good to upgrade to the serrated knives for the cutting table.
Yes.
I noticed mine, it will mar up the back of the cutting pieces. And that's an upgrade I still want to do, but I bet you could use it too. The auto dust extraction was amazing. I love that. And I love how the fans on the outside to get rid of that noise. That was really impressive. Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing it when you expand it out for the tube cutting. Yeah, very cool.
very cool.
Problem so far.
Yes. Okay. What about Tamar? Tamar, can we hear you? Maybe Tamar take notes right now, but cannot feel unable to sound. Okay, let's go with Patrick.
Okay. This machine is the most perfect considered one I will see so far.
Okay.
Which shows that the player has spent a lot of time on it. The most point I like the most point is the electrical design.
Electrical design is the point Patrick
I have
liked the
a
most.
suggestion.
Okay, one suggestion.
Your bayonet driver can have a protection.
Okay, the belt can have a protection.
Yeah.
就是皮带要保护一下是吧？
对。
Okay.
Yes, it's enough.
Okay. Eric, can you hear that? Can you hear that?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Let's go with
I
I need 话筒.
Oh, sorry.
The overall design, the arrangement of each sectors of this machine is really good.
然后不管它从它那个电器啊、气路
No matter the gas system, the electrical parts. What's interesting is that when cutting, he also made a collection system for the cutting parts, and it's a highlight which that he made sectional exhaust system. I hope you guys can understand me.
唯一就有一点不足，就是刚刚说那个光
contaminate the fiber. So Bruce said that if you do not have a cleaning cabinet to do the connection between the fiber cable and laser head, you can connect them horizontally, not vertically.
Okay, thanks.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Good one for future.
Okay, okay, thank you. What about Richard? Okay, Richard said that this machine is a perfect blend of a DIY machine and a commercial one. So not only you enjoying you have the joy of DIY of this machine, but also you have create a professional machine and a lot of details as showed out. We all see that. Yes, it's a good job. It's a good job. Can we see the comments from Tamar? That's good. Yes. Okay, let's go. Just go with scoring.
The score, I suggest 48.
48.
I want to say one word, like Eric, Facebook friends. Good job and a fantastic machine.
Thanks.
Okay. What about Bruce?
14-2。如果说把刚才那个光纤掉，我觉得应该会更高的分数。
And Travis gave the answer 42.
14-2.
What about
41.
Tamar? Tamar, where's Tamar? I would ask Tamar's. Okay, 40分. 40 from Tamar. Sorry. Okay, total score 214. 你发了
Thanks, guys.
Okay.
Eric's in the
Thank
lead.
you. And let's move on. Sorry, the time is. Let's go with Russ. Due to the time limit, in the next showcasing of videos, maybe I will skip some time. Russ. Okay.
Missing.
Here we are buying all the parts for the build. They're coming in bits by bits. I feel from years back here, different series there's magic that I didn't realize I had after going on to the frame. I still haven't got the laser, but not yet. But I can do a lot before I get there. And I'm flying with the build here.
Oh my god.
I'm pretty good.
Sorry，我知道。等一，我们进来了。我看 Travis 进来没？没有啊，是公司网好了呀，好了。OK。Sorry。
看晕了都。
Oh, now it's good. Travis.
Yeah, I see, guys.
Okay. Let's go. 我们主要是 OK，let's go on for the Russ. 感觉他的机械很
required by the flex cable to fit inside, so I was able to.
这是什么？
And starting to put all the safety equipment in, the stop in.
对，装个铁皮。
And plumbing.
速度还可以吗？
Finish curve right.
是女版吗 ？Okay, what's your opinion, Travis?
Well, at first I was a little concerned about the drag chain.
Mm-hmm.
I believe, I think the optical cable has a minimum bin radius of 200 millimeters or something. But now that I'm seeing the photo at the end, I guess when it was empty, it was more collapsed. But now seeing it at the end, it looks like it's much bigger. So maybe it's okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's a smaller machine. Looks kind of, I see some aspects of it similar to mine. Overall, it looks pretty good. Looks like maybe he still needs to do some fume extraction, which would be an awesome addition. I like the cutting bed.
Okay.
Yeah, that's kind of what I think.
Okay. Patrick?
I like he shows his bomb what he buy. His machine, every part is very clean and show us where is it.
Okay.
I suggest he need the
Z-axis
for protection.
Z-axis for protection.
Fiber.
Protection for the fiber. Okay.
It's enough.
That's enough. Okay. What about Bruce? The structure looks solid, robust. The cable arrangement needs to be more. It can be well arranged. The cutting performance looks good.
它的切割能力看起来还是挺不错的，然后设备运行的速度还可以。
Speed, the cutting speed, and the cutting performance is good.
OK.
Okay, what about the other things? Mm-hmm.
然后包括设备的
Bruce.
39.
39. Patrick. Sorry, Richard.
38.
Travis. Richard 30. Looking good, Russ. Okay, and Tamar already gave the answer. Tamar's 36. What's the total, Emily? Sorry, this one. What's the total? 你已经打出来了是吧？你打一下。没看到你啊 ，Emily，没看到你。多少？100是吧？你打出来了吗？哦，看到了。OK，6。Okay, let's move to the next. Next is Craig. Craig, give me a moment. It's very interesting project. Let's see if this is good. This is the project of Craig and his partner Robert, and it is a long video, and we need Craig to let us know where to stop so we can save time and get things done smoothly. Actually, Craig has give some timestamp for his videos. Let's find it. Give me one moment. Oh, Craig's coming.
Yeah, I'm here. Can you hear me?
自己来讲着。
Yeah, my video's quite long, and it's a lot different than. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, we can hear you, Craig.
Okay, so my video is quite long, and my project's significantly different than all the others.
Yeah,
the others are the traditional cutting machine, whereas mine is a retrofit of a Skyfire Blazer onto an existing plasma table itself.
Mm-hmm.
And so I go through the various things that we learned over the last 6 months. And I primarily did the video because I got a lot of questions about people in the Crossfire community about doing this retrofit. And I wanted to fully document what the entire process was. And hopefully, this results in Skyfire selling more Blazers, the laser cutting, laser welding machines. And it's very simple to interface the Blazer in with the Crossfire control system. It's a matter of 2 or 3 wires, and we lose the torch height control because we're using the handheld head on our end of our fiber. But we're able to easily cut stainless steel, aluminum, a regular carbon steel, up to 3/16, which I believe is something like 6 millimeters, maybe a little bit longer than that. We're doing everything with compressed air, only at 125 psi. So we have a bit of a dross problem on the backside, but it's easily able to take off. And so I was able to get a very fine, precise cuts. If you kind of go to the end in conclusion, go to the end, and I'll show you the conclusion of. Yeah, go to the very end of my video. It's going to be like.
Hold on, give me.
Let me find the timestamp for you.
I have your timestamp point. I will share.
Yeah, look at the conclusion, and I hold up a little tiny piece.
Okay, fine detail work.
Yeah,
example cuts.
Well,
this
one is this one. Yeah, this one here is I'm cutting the eighth 3 millimeter.
Okay.
Carbon steel for the slats. That's what I'm doing here. I'll find you the timestamp and what we got. So let me pull this up.
Okay. I think I find your timestamp. We first go to the 4 minute plus 29 to see the plasma torch drawback.
Yeah, go to I'm having problems logging in over
here. Okay, let's go to the.
Hold on just a second.
13, I think 13, 15. You're right.
Yeah. So here, so those 2 cuts here, I'm doing aluminum and stainless steel. This is This is some stainless steel, and I'm showing you the amount of dross on the back. Now, I'm only doing it at 125 PSI compressed air. So we don't do structural, we don't do any structural work in our shop. We do, this is what's important for us. And let me find the timestamp where I hold up a piece. Yeah, so it's, see if I show it to you. I'm holding up a piece right at 58 minutes.
50 minutes.
58.
58. No, 58. It's the total length is 53.
Great.
Right.
All right, hold on a minute.
I guess I can share with the YouTube.
You can share with YouTube, but I can also open up the video.
Okay. Let's try.
Sorry about that, guys. Hold on just a second.
Sorry about. Me too. Sorry about.
I won't look at video. I'll look at the real video, not on YouTube. Just wait a minute, and I'll give you the real timestamp of where that is. What it's going to enable us to do is
guess.
Really cut some fine material. Okay, look at.
I only have 53 for conclusion.
It's odd. Okay.
Well,
it's about 4 minutes in from the air.
You come in.
Which one? Can you see it? Timestamp?
He's going to tell you.
Hold on.
I have
your partner.
Let me see if I can put this in the chat.
Okay.
Well, actually, I can just share my screen. Hold on a minute.
Okay. I stop sharing. You share. Okay. Is that okay? Great.
So here's this is the level of detail we're able to get with our machine. This is 18 gauge, which is about, I think, 1.5 millimeters. And the platform itself is, meant to be a plasma cutter, and we've mounted our handheld head onto there. The rigidity of the existing machine is good enough to do this level of detail work, and this is down at the widths of the metal that were remaining were about 0.5 millimeters thick, and so this enables us to do really intricate artwork that we'll be able to incorporate into some of the various sculptures that we're working on. So I know that this project's going to be really hard to judge because of your evaluation criteria, and I'm going up against the traditional laser cutters. Mine's more of a retrofit onto an existing platform. But anyway, we love this machine, and I put this video together to hopefully sell more for Skyfire, and I know that your U.S. distribution is available now with a $500 shipping price, and that makes it very attractive for buyers in the United States to purchase an equipment like this. And everything we did was documented here, and we'll post all the 3D prints that we created for this to make this work, and hopefully other people try the same kind of approach. So that's what I got. If you have more questions, I can scan the different points in the video and show you that if you're interested. But this is where we are, and we are able to really run our machine significantly faster. We remove the water, the plasma, so we don't have to use any water anymore. We don't have to dispose of the water that's been used for plasma cutting. It's much cleaner. Our startup time is literally like 15 to 20 seconds to get going. We can turn our machine on and start cutting immediately. And if we're cutting various materials, we do have some fume extraction going on. We haven't made that permanent yet, but we are able to pull the fumes off of the part we're cutting. So that's kind of where we are.
Okay, I will ask our crews if they have any questions about your retrofitting. Okay, Patrick.
I want to ask you the video, the first, you have a cutting symbol.
Cutting symbol?
It's a box.
It's a box.
Yeah. What is used?
So why you make that box?
Oh, at the very beginning, that little green box. So that's a lampshade for a porch. That's a porch lampshade. So there was a porch light, and we wanted to make a shade that goes on over the light on the porch.
Okay, 灯罩。
I like it. It's nice.
Okay. Okay. What about Bruce?
我想知道他怎么想到去把一个焊接机，然后跟那个焊接加切割。
So Bruce want to know where does your idea, I mean, reach of this handheld laser welder into a fiber cutting device? Where does the idea come from?
We bought the laser.
Yes.
We bought the handheld device to do laser welding, knowing that it also would do cutting. And we got to see how wide the cut width was going to be when we first turned it on. We saw that the cut width was very narrow, and it was very fast. And the performance of the plasma torch itself, we wanted to make finer detail cuts. And I just looked at the control system inside the Blazer and how the head electrical system interacts with the control system. And I know how the plasma controller works in terms of its signaling. So I just cross-connected them together, and then all we needed to do was mount the head, and we were cutting, and we only lose the torch height control.
Okay. Could you please stop, and I want to translate to our
Yeah,
team.
I understand.
Okay, continue.
So when we got that, when we were able to mount it on there, we were able to basically replace our plasma torch, and we made it so it's convertible. So it's very easy for us to remove the handheld and pull the fiber bundle down and use it as a laser welder.
Okay.
In under like a minute, we can go from cutting to laser welding.
OK， 他就是说，后面他做了之后，发现他们这个改造其实蛮方便，1分钟之内就。
No, the plasma
就等离子的系统
是用等离子的系统
对切割的 OK change the way of emitting the light
我还有一个问题 sorry
Bruce has another question
他这个我刚刚看他定高切割嘛
OK he just saw that there's a fixed height cutting right
他这样的话他那个切割能力
yes
OK
yes the Yes, I understand that. I understand that we have limitations because we don't have torch height control.
它没有那个
水动嘛
No, and that is more of a problem on thinner materials because the material doesn't lay flat on our plasma table.
Can you repeat? Sorry.
The material, if we want to do thin material, it typically won't be very flat.
Oh, okay.
So the laser's not able to follow.
如果是切薄板的话，一般都不平。
对，会抖。
Yes, correct. That makes sense. So any questions?
Yeah.
还有吗？
整体是一个很好的一个idea.
Bruce said it's really a great idea, and you make it come true. And you fix the problem for flat cutting with a extremely low budget. And once again, something can be improved that Bruce think that it can add some protection for the machine body.
Yes, I agree.
然后那个等离子它切那个手指。
I understand. Well, our limitation is about 225 psi.
225 psi. Okay.
Yeah, the valve inside the Skyfire Blazer is the low pressure valve, and it will and the handheld head has a limitation on the PSI rating as well.
So what about Travis? Do you have any questions about his retrofitting?
Not really question. I have thoughts. I've been watching all of Craig's videos.
Yeah,
So
of course.
I've already seen all these. I've been following along.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I've seen several people do this now. Strap the cutting head from a welder onto a gantry, and it's a really interesting idea. And I imagine it's probably about like the cheapest you could get into a laser cutting machine by doing this.
Right. I think the parts cost is probably about $20.
Yeah. I've already had a bunch of people ask me if I would do this, but I don't have the time or space. Yeah, it's intriguing. I guess my only drawback is that from watching your videos, yeah, it looks like the cut quality is pretty poor by comparison to like what a traditional machine can do, even a traditional DIY machine. I think that's probably just going to be the ultimate trade-off by not having the auto height control. I mean, depending on what your application is, I mean, I think this is like a great way to pull this off for a lot of people. So great work, Craig.
Thank you. For us, the accuracy is far exceeds plasma torch.
Yeah, well, yeah, that too.
We're able to get our accuracies down in the like 1 to 2 thousandth of an inch of our cuts.
Can you type it?
And
can you type it? Yeah, the accuracy.
Yes, we're getting, I don't know what that is in millimeters. This is the accuracy we're getting.
Oh, okay.
精度
This is the accuracy.
0.02 25%.
Okay. So, if we do not have any more questions, let's go with scoring. Okay.
I like his innovation. Most I really like his ZX design.
ZX's design.
For fast change the cutting head.
To a fast changing cutting head.
Yeah. And he have many design idea to cut different symbol.
And
cutting symbol.
Yeah, cutting symbol. You've already cut different cutting samples with that device. Okay.
Yeah.
For normally live used.
I worry about the cutting ability.
Yeah, you worry about the cutting ability
because the cheaper choose is enough.
Okay, what is your score?
40.
Patrick, Bruce.
会更好一点，因为它切割嘛，下面都是没有遮挡的。然后我大概我给的是38分。
Pat Richard 39 from Richard. Richard said it's more of a joy and a DIY engagement, and it's a really innovative and fine retrofitting. Richard Travis.
Yep, I gave him a 20. I think I set my initial score much lower, so I've been adjusting. Everybody's down to my range.
Yeah, so yes, as long as you guys hold the same standard.
Yeah, I kept the standard,
you are more strict judge. Yes, so we understand that.
No, that's fine. That's fine.
That's Tamar.
Go ahead.
Sorry. Yes.
No, I understand that this is significantly different, and the scores are going to be low because I don't follow on your criteria that you've been judging other contestants for is kind of high. So that's fine.
I accidentally scored low across the board. I started in the middle. That way I had room to go up or down for everybody. So my scores are much lower than everybody. But I have you like right in the middle of the pack.
Scoring.
That's fine.
I want to say
Man, I would really like to see if you could get the nozzle closer or something to clear out that dross, because otherwise the cuts look great. It's just the back a little bit, you know.
Cute.
I understand. Yeah. I've got some ideas on that. And, you know,
sorry.
We do know that limitations that are there.
You check the video?
Video.
Have the cute glasses. Z part. Z part.
自己走前面吗？
Those remind us. Those remind us to put the glasses on when we're cutting. That's a safety. It's a
Yeah.
这个吗？
You can take the video big.
啥变个
Where？
可放大吗？
可以。Where？ 这个。Nice glass.
small glass.
So can be high. Mara is judging right now. He's giving the answer. Yeah, I mean, maybe you can draft a total scores sheet for everybody. So we are waiting for Tamara's. Yes, as long as we have one moment, I calculate. Tamara said, one moment I will calculate his points.
No.
Hold on. Sorry, this is our first live show, and we did not prepare it perfectly. So next time, we think we'll do better. And shout out to every entries participant, and especially Travis, Michelle, or Tamar as the judges. Thanks for your time. Yeah, it's not short time. It's nearly 3. I feel a little bit sorry about that. Because excitement makes me not asleep.
A little tired, but excited.
It's cool to see everybody's machines. You guys have got to be tired.
And once we have the answer, we will name out the top 3. And
top 3.
Yeah, top 3. We will give the prize cash voucher. Yes. Okay. I will literally pass 16 because not repeat. Okay, Mark. Okay, wait.
那出来了呀，分总不出。
This is the result from Tamar. Okay. Okay.
That's fine.
Yeah, that's fair.
I understand. It's all good.
第一个那个谁140，
就直接发个总分。Okay. So we will have the total scores for all the participants and choose the top 3.
Top 3, 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
4万个字。
对，全部发出来，就是每个人的总分。
巧云抖音。
哦，发到群里了吗？
巧云那个。
Okay, let's see.
巧云抖音在。
So let's.
我发你。
Guys, we see the screen. So the first play is Eric once again. The second place is Russ. The third place is Jordan. Okay, so yeah. Congratulations for Eric. You have 1,500 cash vouchers. Emily will send you to your account. The second, us, we have 1,000 vouchers, US dollar. And the third, Jordan, we have 700,000
Congratulations.
voucher.
Congratulations,
And don't worry.
Really, thank you.
For all the participants who are not win the top 3 place, you also have 100 vouchers. Don't be sad, and hope you guys enjoy it. It's just a how to say, it's a discussion ceremony. So yeah, that's it. So Travis and Craig, that's for today's. And Craig, I really hope that you don't feel. Yeah. You did. Yeah. You present a really innovative idea, but yeah, everybody say that is but participate in the DIY contest is not. It's a little bit mess, I think. So I feel. Yeah. And I hope you can understand all of us.
Yes. No.
Yeah.
I don't know. I enjoyed the whole thing.
Thank you. It's very nice to hear that. Yeah. Yes. Continue your idea. Continue making things.
No, it's all good.
We
It's all good. After I saw what people were submitting, I was like, okay,
YouTube
well,
account and,
mine's so far different.
Just
You
keep
know,
going.
I didn't expect to get any points. So
you're welcome. And that's for today.
Yeah, no,
everyone.
I have no problem with the competition.
Thanks
I'm glad
for
to
Travis
be
Transport tomorrow.
considered to be a
Bye.
entry. And
Bye.
wish
Thank
luck
you,
to everyone
Travis.
with the completion of their machines.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Will do. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. Looking forward to seeing everybody's designs for the next contest.
Bye-bye.